I love how this touch of blue is really, really making this bird even more beautiful, if that's possible. Okay, so this needs a little bit more light on that maybe. And as I go along, I'm going to be moving into smaller brushes, you know, to get the detail around the eyes and the beak and stuff like that. But this is acrylic paint, and so it's going to dry fairly quickly. But I also find for my brain that sometimes I like to do the first pass, and I want to develop the babies a little bit more and then start painting the nest. But I find I would need to break and then come back really later to really focus on the smaller points. But I'm loving this, loving.